Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer USDT from your MetaMask wallet to Kraken in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process is more streamlined than ever, but it's still crucial to get it right to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're moving funds for trading, staking, or just securing your assets, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure your MetaMask wallet is set up and funded with USDT. If you haven't added USDT yet, head to the Ethereum network in MetaMask, search for USDT in the token list, and add it. It's that simple. Always double check you're on the correct network, like Ethereum mainnet, to prevent errors. Next, log into your Kraken account. If you're new, you'll need to verify your identity first, but once you're in, navigate to the Deposit section. Select USDT as the asset, and choose the network, probably Ethereum, since that's what MetaMask uses. Kraken will give you a unique deposit address. Copy that carefully, as it's your gateway to success. Now, back in MetaMask, go to your USDT balance and hit Send. Paste the Kraken deposit address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to check the gas fees. In 2025, with improved blockchain tech, these might be lower, but always aim for a balance between speed and cost. Hit Confirm, and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Kraken and refresh your account. Your USDT should appear. Pro tip: always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your funds safe. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from MetaMask to Kraken in 2025. It's quicker and safer than ever, but remember, crypto involves risks, so stay informed. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.